Welcome back to the latest tutorial for CASA RPL PPL students. In episode 4, we'll be going deeper into glide speed and lift-drag ratio. It might feel like a drag by now, but stick around and you'll soon be gliding through it.
Flight mechanics. When it comes to wind, it directly impacts the ground speed of the aircraft, which subsequently affects its glide distance. A headwind decreases the ground speed, reducing the glide distance because the aircraft covers less distance over the ground for the same amount of altitude loss. Conversely, a tailwind increases the ground speed, allowing the aircraft to glide further. The weight of the aircraft has no influence on its maximum lift-to-drag ratio. Therefore, the optimum angle of attack, glide angle, and glide distance remain unchanged. However, the minimum drag speed does vary with weight. Additionally, the higher the weight, the greater its component acting along the flight path, which increases the rate of descent. As a result, while the aircraft glides the same distance, it remains in the air for a shorter duration. When it comes to configuration, the greatest glide distance is achieved when the aircraft is in a clean configuration. Extending the flaps increases lift, but it causes an even greater increase in drag. As a result, the lift-to-drag ratio decreases, reducing the glide range.